Hello and welcome. I got something in the mail today, and this will be a whole other experiment. Let's see here. I can do this with a butter knife. I have a laptop I've been using for a while, and every indication I have tells me that the battery has had enough. Now, I have not opened a modern computer thing in a very long time. So this should be an adventure. Even getting into this box. Holy mama. It is quite an adventure, to be sure. But I suppose that's not a bad thing. Because, well, you don't want things to be falling out. Oh, look at this. This might help. This is a vintage letter opener, which might break the tape. Yeah, the tape here is mighty formidable. Maybe I can just pull this out. Oh. And here is a battery, supposedly. Now, I did look online to be able to carefully pick out that this is indeed the battery I need. And oh, look, this thing even comes with a teeny tiny screwdriver to help me, dear valued customer. Many languages of instructions. Optimal usage guidance. I need my reading glasses. Anyway, I will set all this aside. I'm hopeful that this is exactly what is required for this laptop. It does seem, all the symptoms seem to be pointing to the fact that the battery is just not doing it anymore. Actually, a colleague of mine was saying her something, what was it? Chromebook, 7 years old, wouldn't fire up, but did intermittently. So, well, it may be that the battery, she says, well, it says it's 100% charged. Yeah, it could be saying it's 100% charged, but it might not have anything behind it. As in, no amperage. Anyway, as it happens, I have to mail something, and this might be a good thing to use. I don't know if I can get this sticker stuff off. Probably not. Oh, maybe. No, it's not really going to come off nicely. But there's always the other side. This side is quite empty. And this side, I can take a black thing, such as a marker, and scratch off all this stuff. So that it should not end up. Oh, well, there. Oh, you know what? That was just a sticker on it. Oh, yeah, great. Yeah. Let's try that again. There's a sticker over. Oh, that seems to be going weird. Oh, well, now this is all sticky. It's a sticky thing. Anyway, there. So, there, a lovely little box that I can reuse. And this stuff I don't need. And if it needs to go back, well, I'll ship it in something else. But right now, I will see about finding what needs to go in here. And this should be fine because it will add to the greatness of protection. Because all I need to do is send a chip. I'm not just going to put it in here all loose. I will make sure that it is secure. And in a padded envelope. But this does make me feel better. It does. Anyway, so stay tuned. At some point I will be opening up a modern laptop. It's a Lenovo of all things, to replace the battery. But not today. Alright, well thanks for coming. Stay tuned. I don't know how much modern stuff I will delve into, but this is kind of a necessity. Anyway, David Bradley from the Christmas room, although I don't have the lights on, signing off for now. Have a lovely, lovely day. See ya.